Hey guys, back training here, and it's been a while since I have not been doing any train videos here lately. And you see, once again, I don't have any of my family that could take me to see trains because they were so busy, all that stuff. But now I finally got a train video, but this time it was in, this time it's in Covington, Virginia. Me and my boyfriend, we was at Walmart waiting for my mom to come and pick me up, and from out of nowhere there was a train, and it was a CSX. I couldn't really see the numbers of it because there was some of the trees that was in the way, and it was carry a coal train. So yeah, and I couldn't really try to pause the video, see the numbers on the train. So, but yeah, here is the video of another CSX coal train. Yep, there's train. Sorry if you can't see it. Yeah, these trees are always in the way. Sorry if y'all can't really see the numbers. It's been such a while since I've not done any train videos, and it's the first year. Well, never mind. I was gonna bring it up close. Yeah, these trees, I don't know why they're in the way. I'm gonna try to see what numbers it is at the end of the video. Oh, there's the end.